It is all-wheel drive, maybe even the only one in the world. Pushing 3.8 bars of boost consistent.
3.8 bars?
Where the city don't sleep, ruthless kids just roaming the streets, parents just trying to make ends meet, poverty everywhere, yeah, it gets deep. They're living for the weekend, wasting a week. Outside therapy talk is cheap, my worst enemy is me.
Kevin!
Hey man.
Welcome Kevin from VAG Builders YouTube channel, bro. All the way from the Netherlands.
Awesome to be here, man.
I got to big up the Netherlands because you're not the first to come from the Netherlands, which is really cool. So I've got much love to the Netherlands and traveling all this way. And bro, you have brought us something that is absolutely unreal. Tell me what is going on right here. By the way, usually I tell people to pop the bonnet.
I just came without it. I thought it would be easier. It's a PD130. I had a Corrado before this one, also with a PD, and I got a lot of questions. Why are you going to put a PD in a Corrado? And
crazy.
Just to be different.
Sure.
To be different. It's a unique car, like I said before. It's a PD130, completely forced engine, Conrad's original pistons, but machined the combustion chamber, ported and polished cylinder head, 272 camshaft. I'm also working together for many years with Skilla Turbo, big supporter of me. So I'm running a Skilla Turbo 2971, pushing 3.8 bars of boost consistent.
3.8 bars?
I built this engine 3.5 years ago, while it was still mounted in my other Corrado that I crashed. I only changed the setup, like with the turbo and the intercooler piping and everything. Like the internals are still 3.5 years old and still going strong.
Still going strong. And talking about the intercooler piping and everything, this is artwork, man.
It is.
It's so aesthetically pleasing. Everything is just, you know, diesels, they get a stigma for being dirty. And,
it is,
you know, this,
that was the main goal that I had with the car, to build something different with a diesel and being pretty at the same time. It's like the best of both worlds, if you ask me.
It definitely is. Chrome alternator and everything. But let's talk a little bit about this, because this is quite different. You don't see a lot of charge-cooled PDs, or I haven't.
I'm running with a water cooler already for 3 or 4 years now.
Okay.
Before I was only running with the intercooler with a second radiator on the front.
Got ya.
So it was a very short circuit.
Okay.
This time I upgraded to an icebox in the trunk.
Okay.
It's 11 liters. Total system.
Okay.
It's very efficient. I still use the second radiator on the front because I also want to still use the car on the road.
Got ya.
So the radiator will just cool the fluid down before it goes to the icebox, return to the icebox, and I'm really happy with it. It's very consistent. Besides the bonnet and the hood exit, the car is completely road legal. It's technical inspected, it's all homologated and everything, so...
Now, I know this car will soon be running NOS, I believe, right?
Yeah, that was the plan,
because the diesels and the PDs, they love a bit of NOS. But what kind of power is this making just on fuel?
To be fair, we didn't dynote the car yet.
Okay.
The car is finished more or less 4 weeks.
Okay.
I went to Portugal straight away. I'm back 1 week and immediately came to the UK, so it's fast.
Okay.
If I will take a guess, it will be around 450 horsepower on diesel only.
Okay.
And the goal is, let's say more, a bit more with
Depends
with
what the shot of the nitrous is. Like,
what I want to do is this winter build a spare engine because it will blow
at some point.
Once in a while, at one point.
Who's tuned it? What ECU is it on? How do you do it?
So it's still on original management.
No
yeah,
way.
the EDC 15 works very well, and at this time of age, it's so already developed, you know, the knowledge of tuning those cars. So I'm working together with Smoked Remaps.
Okay.
There's a friend of mine from Spain.
Okay.
Combined with Skilla Turbo.
Shout out to Skilla once again.
Like I said, they are both a real good, real big supporter of, all the project. Yeah.
When it comes to Skilla and Lewis and those boys, I've had a lot of their builds on my channel. I've had Lewis on the channel quite a few times.
Even the video with the Ferrari was crazy.
Yeah, bro, listen, I know what they're about and they're serious when it comes to it, man. Talking about the drivetrain now and the transmission, there's some really cool things going on there too. Do you want to talk us through that?
I think maybe, I'm not really sure if it's safe to say, but it is all-wheel drive. And I think it's maybe even the only one in the world, like a Corrado combined with a TDI and the all-wheel drive.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's really something else. It's Holdex Generation 1.
Okay.
So from Audi TT, 8N, Mark IV Golfs, Audi S3s, 8L. 6-speed manual gearbox with the Sequential SQS shifter.
Hang on, let's talk about it. Let's go inside now. Let's go inside because it doesn't stop. This also has a sequential shifter in it.
Yeah, it is.
So do you want to explain for people who don't know the difference between perhaps a fully sequential gearbox and an SQS shifter?
Yeah, I will move to that one.
Sure, because yes guys, there is quite a few differences.
Yeah, so the thing is, it's a sequential shifter, so you only need to pull it and push it back. But it still has a mechanical mechanism inside to create the H pattern on the gearbox.
Sure.
So you can run it on our original gearbox, let's say. Mine is completely built and forged, but not sequential dogbox yet. So at the same time, you will have less chance of money shifting that car.
That's right. Drag racing, you don't want to money shift it because it goes wrong.
It's not a Honda, but also the chassis of the car. So all the panels that are originally spot welded are welded through. So every few centimeters it's welded.
Okay.
The car feels very safe.
Okay.
Goes very good. Yeah, it goes straight.
Yeah.
But the car is not that long finished,
Sure,
and I'm already very amazed about the potential of the car.
And just looking here too, so we've got 3 switches, one being Haldex.
What I did, I put a pressure plug inside the Haldex, inside the pump of the Haldex system, so I can manually put it on, and it will be permanently 50-50.
If it's off, it's front wheel drive?
It's only front wheel drive.
So
so I still can do a
drive.
burnout and everything. Yeah, and I want to upgrade it to a controller.
Okay.
So I can do by speed. I can adjust it by speed, like from 60 miles an hour or something. Miles and kilometers an hour.
Yeah, slightly off.
40 miles an hour, it will shut off automatically.
Okay.
Because it will be way more resistance of constantly driving all-wheel drive on the quarter mile. But yeah, step by step. So this is the Haldex.
Yep.
This is the water pump of the icebox in the trunk and the fuel pump.
Crazy, and it looks like you've got brake biased. It also hydraulic handbrake. And wow, fully caged out, stripped out, and mate, this is. In fact, talking about stripped out, how much does this weigh or estimate to be?
It's more or less 1,140 kilos total.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's a light car.
Yeah, it's not bad. No, like taking out the windows and everything already changes a lot.
Oh yeah, because it's all Perspex. This is the other thing. It's like it's got the Perspex windows, the nice little kind of air vents all around. Does the boot still open?
Yeah, but like with the quick release.
Quick release. The angles on this car too, and how muscular it is, and how it sits with the wheels. Oh mate, it's crazy. And just like that.
So yeah, this is the icebox that I only use for the intercooler system. Yeah, it's very beneficial. I never drove with the ice before.
Got ya.
Because it was not really necessary yet.
Sure.
But you can put ice cubes or dry ice in it, and it would be beneficial in the summer for sure.
Hey. Nah, this is such a sick build, man.
I also made a custom fuel cell underneath the car. Because on a lot of race events in Europe, if you will put the fuel cell inside the car, you need the firewall.
You need a firewall, bulkhead,
and that was also a piece that I didn't really like on a clean car like this.
Sure,
so
makes sense.
I can still fill it up on the original spot even.
Oh mate, that's epic. And also you showed me under this car, it's just as clean under the car as it is on the top.
Completely painted underneath. The real race guys will know that painting the underneath of the car is not only for looking nice, you can spot cracks on the chassis and that kind of stuff. So it's also for your own safety.
The fit and finish is amazing. And also, you built this car yourself, by
yeah, that's true.
Which is, again, we commend you, man. It's so It's so mean. Every angle. What year is this car?
1990.
Wow.
Yeah.
35 years old.
Yeah, don't say it too loud because I'm the same age. But
Oh, no way. Well, look, the weather today is a little bit changeable. It's a little bit, we're not sure what's going to go on.
they told me it's typical UK,
Oh, this
right?
is like, this is normal to us, but trying to get out in a car like this with no bonnet might be a little bit tricky. So fingers crossed we can get out and do some pulls in the dry. But for sure, it'll be cool to actually see what this car does on the UK roads. No bonnet, SQS shifter, crazy diesel build. Shout out to Skiller. Shout out to VAG Builders. Should we hit the road?
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
go.
Guys. Alright guys, so we're out in this Corrado, bro. This is savage. The sounds, the diesel smell, everything. This is so race car. But it's a diesel race car. It's crazy. And then your shifter, the way it just sticks up. Listen to that, mechanical buzz, a sequential shifter in a diesel, this is crazy. I think this is the first time I've ever been in a sequential with a diesel Straight into it, bro, that's savage.
Even that wheel spin on the front.
That's great, so we're in four-wheel drive right now?
No, only front.
Oh, we're in front, I was going to say, it's spinning up on four wheels. So when you're driving like now, like rolling, you look into front wheel drive, yeah?
Yeah, because it will have way less resistance.
Got ya. The diesel smoke coming inside the cabin. Oh my god.
Still in the test phase.
Still in the test phase. But bro, when this is moving, it is
Yeah, right?
rapid.
Because it's really kind of a big turbo.
Bro, this
but when it goes, it just
goes.
keeps on
Bro,
going.
this feels much more than 450 brake, but I think it might be the sequential. It
Yeah.
might also be the weight of the car,
And the sound.
the sound, to everything. The smoke.
It's a real experience. Yeah, let's go. I think it blew a pipe.
Who's back?
Yeah.
It blew a boost pipe, yeah?
I think
That's
so.
what it sounded like, isn't it?
Yeah.
You never know, we might have caught it on the front camera.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Let's check it out.
Alright, we'll be right back. This is test phase.
Yeah.
So guys, yes, it blew a boost pipe off.
Sometimes the car or the shifter or the gearbox doesn't really like to engage into third gear while flat shifting.
Sure.
So you already saw that I didn't flat shift while going to third, and then you will have a little turbo lag. So the turbo needs to spool up again,
Sure.
a little bit lower in RPM, and it will give a peak boost, of course.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
think the peak boost and this the intake, the end of the intake,
Yep.
doesn't have a
good
beat,
grip. Yeah,
a good
yeah,
beat
yeah,
on
yeah.
it. So I think that's the reason why it popped.
Luckily, we got some tools, so we're gonna go and put everything back, and
For sure.
we'll be right back. You fixed it.
Yeah, we fixed it.
Fingers crossed it don't happen again, but you never know. This guy's like Kevin said, this build's been on the road about 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, I finished it 4 weeks ago. Went
Okay.
to Portugal, did 2 events, did some pools. It went all right, but didn't test it anything else.
So it's still a fresh build, guys,
Yeah,
and these things
exactly.
happen, and it's a very minor thing. It's a very minor
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
You're seeing it live with us, guys. This is like the craziest diesel build, and it's blossoming in front of us. Let's go.
I think the nuts, it doesn't have the correct beat
you know what? The heavens have opened anyway, bro. this might be telling us it's time to give it a quick. But at least we've seen kind of what the car's about. Like, you know what I mean? Exactly. This car is absolutely savage. Savage. I think once it's all dialed in, bro, it's gonna be crazy. Sure. Crazy. Sure. The pipe has defeated us. Just this little pipe here. I don't know if they can see. I'll try and show them. Here we go. There's rain on this now, look. It's all going wrong. Apologies for the noise, any wind noise, but as you can see, guys, this pipe has just popped off a few times. The bead round here that he's welded on, I don't think it's sufficient for the boost.
All of the rest of the pipes, you already see it in the rubber.
Yep.
It has a decent bead on it.
Yep.
So, yeah.
It is what it is, guys.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Right, guys, so as you've seen, yes, the boost pipe has, the boost pipe and the weather, as you'd probably hear right now, we've just pulled over in a little country lane under some tree cover. But this car being so stripped out, you can hear the rain, you hear everything. It's absolutely crazy. And look, even though things didn't go 100% to plan, you can just see how savage this car is. As you say, it's a fresh build. You've already done quite a bit of testing on it, and it's actually went to plan. It's just, when you come to England, for some reason, something, I don't know, the air around here is just, I don't know, it's messing with the car.
It's like you said, it is what it is. Things happen. It's a freshly built, and I can only say we will come back stronger for sure.
And I know the Noz is coming on next time too, right?
Bro, that will be a whole different experience, right?
Bro, this car is just
because
crazy.
It already feels very rowdy.
It feels rowdy, it feels fast. It's all the emotions, the clunks, the clicks, the smoke, the smells. Bro, it's absolutely everything. And the best thing about this car is you've built it all yourself.
Yeah.
And on top of that, you have a YouTube channel too, bro.
Yeah,
we need to big up the YouTube channel because you do crazy stuff, and you've showed me some of the other cars you have.
That's amazing,
bro.
man.
It's crazy. Please tell them where they can find you, man.
Okay, you can find me on YouTube, Fuck Builders Tuning. I do mainly Volkswagen projects all year around. Enough videos to see.
Yeah.
And yeah.
That's pretty much it. Let's support this guy, Crazy Builds. Go check him out. Give him a thumbs up on his videos. Hit that subscribe button. And if you've liked today and what we've tried to do for you guys, please thumbs up, subscribe. And yeah, man, for sure, we'll be back in this car when it's all running right.
Yeah,
bro?
for sure, man.
Thanks
for
much,
the opportunity, man.
My pleasure.
Really appreciate
My pleasure.
it.
Peace out, guys.
Ciao.
So many levels, so many cultures. So much privilege, so much indulgence. So much privilege, so much indulgence, you're everywhere.